Hi, my name is Alex Schmidt and I teach the Automotive Service Technology program at the Pryor campus for Northeast Tech. I've been teaching for 6 years now, and despite my age, I actually have 18 years in the automotive industry. And I'm actually a former student of the program that I teach. A typical day in this program is students come in and spend about an hour in the classroom, and then we go straight to the shop and learn hands-on working on projects in the shop. That could be anything from tearing apart an engine to working on a real car. First year students learn basic skills such as learning how to change tires, learning how to replace brakes and machine rotors. They also learn how to tear an engine block down to a bare block and put it all the way back together again, and how everything works inside. Another thing that first years get to do is be a part of the Ford Maintenance and Light Repair program, and that is a partnership we have through Ford Motor Company where students can earn up to 34 different Ford certifications. All of these individual certifications equate to being Ford Maintenance and Light Repair certified, and we're the only career tech center in the entire state that offers this program. Second years typically work on more of live projects in the shop, so they're in the classroom less than they are the first years, but they get to work on real world projects, vehicles. Customers bring these vehicles in, we work on other teachers' vehicles and students' vehicles, so they're working on real projects that have real problems, and that gives them that hands-on experience to be able to enter this workforce. They also have an opportunity to go what's on OJT, which is on-job training, where I try to help the students find a job in their respective industry, and after Christmas break they can go to work and get hands-on training in a real-world setting instead of actually coming to class for 4 days a week. On the 5th day they come back and we talk about and go over problems that they may have encountered while working in those shops, so we can fine-tune their skills to their specific job. Some of my students that graduate here might go on to be dealership technicians. Others might be working at an independent shop as a technician, and I've had others work at parts stores as a parts specialist, and they might even go off to be a fleet service technician, such as Hertz Rental Car or Enterprise. And then others may go on to further their automotive education in places like OSUIT or Universal Technical Institute.
My plans after Northeast Tech, I want to go to OSUIT and further my education in the automotive field, and I want to go work at a Ford dealership and make big money. This program has very well prepared me for my career path that I've chosen, and it's going to help me do a lot more.
I would say if you're a freshman or a sophomore and you're thinking about entering this program and you think you like cars and working with your hands, give it a shot. Come around on a tour and talk to me and see what it's like, and this might be a good program for you. I've had students join this class that didn't know anything about cars, and in the end they end up pursuing a career in this industry, which can be really rewarding.